Integrating MailChimp with Easy Texting. Create powerful campaigns that deliver results with Easy Texting's partnership with MailChimp, a leading email service provider. We'll show you how to set up easily. Just be sure you already have a valid MailChimp account. No subscription necessary. First, log in to your MailChimp account and at the bottom left, click on your Profile button. From here, tap on Account. Now select Extras. And finally on API Keys from the drop-down. If you don't already have an API key, select Create a Key. Simply click on the newly created API key to highlight it. And then if you're on a Mac, hold Command-C to copy the key, or Control-C if using a PC. Now, on your Easy Texting homepage, in the left navigation, first click on Tools, then on Integrations. Find MailChimp and tap Connect. Now, paste your API key from MailChimp into the field provided by using Command-V if on a Mac, or Control-V if on PC. Map the rest of your fields as needed. We've entered first name and last name as examples. These are the default values in your MailChimp account. If you've changed the labels from first name and last name, you'll need to change our example values as well. When you're finished, click Connect. This will bring up the Contact Sync settings, where you have the options to sync contacts from lists, add contacts to groups, and set up auto-syncs every time you log in to Easy Texting. When you've selected the options you wish to enact, first click on Save Settings, and then on Sync Now. Click OK to start the contact syncing. A notification will appear at the top of your screen, ensuring the sync was successful. Congrats! You've now integrated your Easy Texting account with MailChimp and can seamlessly sync contacts between your two marketing platforms. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.